Hanggang ngayon, nangungupahan ka pa rin ba? Why rent when you can have your own? Yes, tama ang rinig mo dahil ang property nito ay no down payment, no equity at 10K lang ang cash out. At parang nga ito sa electricity and water installation. Ito nga ang nag-iisa nating duplex na rent to own. Kaya naman don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search buddy. Ang maganda nga dito ay covered na ang ating service area. Kaya naman makakabawas ito sa home improvement cost. Meron tayong floor area na 45.5 square meters. Kaya naman meron tayong enough space for living, dining, at kitchen area. Ang toilet and bath natin ay nandito sa ground floor at meron itong complete fixtures. As you can see, madami din tayong sliding window for proper ventilation at para makapasok ang natural light. Lot area natin dito ay 54 square meters kaya naman may provision tayo for one carport. Pwede nyo ito palagyan ng fence and gate at pabubungan. Located ito sa Nai, Cavite at 2 rides lang ito going to PITX. Going up, may provision